Callie, how big are you? So big! Where are you going? Can you show Mommy how big you are? How big are you? Whoa. Whoop. Say uh-oh.
Up.
Up. Say so big. So big. So big. What are you eating? Is that a ball?
No.
What color? The purple? Purple. There's another ball. Oh, nice. Oh, Spencer just threw that at you. Oh my. You're a crazy girl. So big. So big. Say I love you. Oh, good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.